There are hundreds and thousands of news releases each day, so what makes yours stand out? Here are 5 tips to help you improve your press releases. Tip number 1. The headline is the hook that encourages the reader to read further, which then increases the likelihood for your article to convert readers to potential leads and customers. A strong headline will also catch the attention of journalists looking for an interesting story to cover. 3 headlines that work: fear-based headlines, sensational or controversy, new launches. Tip number 2, think like a reporter. This will help you save a lot of time because it helps the reporter save time. Before you even start writing a press release, establish if the story is newsworthy for the reporter to cover. Be honest and ask yourself these questions. Why is this important for the reporter or news media to cover? Will anyone care about this story besides me? What is so interesting about this story and who I serve? If you are unable to answer any of these questions, then my suggestion is to kill the story because chances are, even if you wrote a world-class press release with excellent grammar, it still won't get picked up by news publications as it is deemed not newsworthy. To understand what works and what doesn't, take a look at current news and see what's being published. You could follow the flow or go against the grain with sensational news. Tip number 3, write the story as if you are a reporter. Expanding on tip number 1, writing the press release as if you are a reporter encourages a reporter to pick up the story. Why? Because the work has been done for him. Reporters and news publishing companies go through a lot of press releases every day, and if the work has been done for them with minimal to zero changes, there's definitely a high chance to get published for free. Tip number 4, keep it simple, stupid. For some of us, it is very easy to be long-winded. For others, they have trouble writing more. The best way to write is to get straight to the point and keep it short and simple. Like most good writing, shorter is better. Keep the press release to 1 page with 2 pages at maximum. If the press release is too long, you risk your release getting overlooked by journalists if you are hoping for it to get published for free. Tip number 5, use quotes whenever possible. Quotes give press releases a human element, which increases its readability and transforms it to a story. Stories make chunks of bland information digestible. Seek to include a good quote from someone notable in the company, a relevant VIP of the event, or the person in charge of the product launch.